Giggles and grapes.
Let's learn about the vowels today. There are 26 alphabets in English. Do you know them all? Let's take a look at them. 26 in total. But there are only 5 vowels. They are
A, B, I, O, U.
Once again.
A, B, I, O, U.
Let's call them out slowly.
A, B, I, O, U.
Let's call them out as fast as you can.
A, B, I, O, U.
Once more.
A, B, I, O, U.
Good job! Now let's try to take our sounds of these alphabets. This is alphabet.
A,
Sounding a, apple, ant. This is alphabet. E, sounding elf, elephant. This is alphabet. I, sounding ink, idea. This is alphabet. O, sounding orange, O. This is alphabet. U, sounding umbrella, unlock. Now you know your vowels. Until next time, bye. This video is sponsored by Chocolate Chip Cookies.
Subscribe, like, and don't forget to press the bell icon.